8वें मानांकन आशिल्लो गोयचो यश फडते भारतांतलो पयलो US ओपन ज्युनियर क्वॉश चॅम्पियन जाला। ह्या किताबाचेर तो बरोच खोशी आसा। आपली खोशी शब्दांनी सांगूंक शकना। आता आपले टार्गेट जानेरांत जावपा आशिल्ल्या ब्रिटीश ज्युनियर ओपन अशें हो वास्कोचो स्क्वॉश चॅम्पियन म्हणटा। पळयात प्रुडंटाक यश फडतेन चॅम्पियन जातकच दिल्ली पयली मुलाखत।
जानेरांत जावपी ब्रिटीश ज्युनियर ओपन हे आपले फुडले लक्ष्य म्हूण यश फडते म्हणटा।
So at least I've won the US Junior Open under 17, and I'll probably be in the limelight at the British Junior Open. So yeah, and I hope to do well at the British as well, which will be held from 3rd Jan to the 7th at Birmingham. I feel great. It's one of my biggest victories till now. It's a totally different experience. I can't express it in words. I played him in the quarterfinals. I won 3-2. Then I beat the Canadian Egyptian 3-2 in the semis. And then I played Ayush Menon in the finals, who is the US number 1 under 17. Yeah, so all matches were equally tough.
राज्यातले फुटबॉल संघटनेक वेदांतन दिल्ल्या तेक्यान लागून गोंयांत बायला फुटबॉलाक बरे दीस येतले हातूंत दुबाव ना अशें भारताच्या बायला फुटबॉल टीमीची गोलकीपर अदिती चौहानाक दिसता। ताणें गोंयच्या चलयांची तुस्त केली। अदितीची पुराय मुलाखत प्रुडंटाच्या वेबसायटीर पळोवंक मेळटली।
So that shows that there's been a constant improvement within 1 month, which just proves that if the league is longer and if there are more such tournaments, there's scope for so much of improvement, and that's the best part. And obviously the way it was organized was also really special. Prudent was covering the match live, so it had a broader audience, and a lot of people can see the talent that's there in Goa. And then and the floodlights, the ground and everything, because not a lot of matches happen in floodlights. So I'm sure for few of these girls, maybe it was also the first time that they're playing this tournament in the floodlights. So all in all, I was really impressed and glad that something like this had started, where the state football association and a corporate had come together and organized this wonderful league for the women's football. We can't just expect AIFF to do everything, and if something like this, initiatives like these can be taken over by other states as well, would be a good contribution to the bigger objective of improving women's football in India. So I think Vedanta Group has set a great example, and other states should get the motivation and should see the result, that it was such a positive result in the media, among the people, the audience and everything. So why not in other states?
फातोड्ड्या SAG हॉलांत वेस्टर्न इंडिया पॉवर लिफ्टिंग आनी बेंच प्रेस चॅम्पियनशीप जाली। हे सर्तींत गोंयचे 15 जाण वांटेकार जाल्ले। बेंच प्रेसात सर्वेश कवठणकार आनी विनायक गांवकाराक ब्रॉन्झ मेडल मेळ्ळें। गोंयांत बरे वेट लिफ्टर आसात, पूण तांकां फुडें सरूंक सरकाराचो आदार जाय म्हूण गोवा पॉवर लिफ्टिंगाचो महासचिव उलयलो।
To these players, because powerlifting is a very expensive sport. They need a diet and everything practice. So I request to the government to provide a separate practice area for the powerlifting and help us in every possible way so that we can take the powerlifting to a higher standards. Thank you.
ह्या बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता। खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात। नमस्कार।